Hi Lancers, Miss Toll here. I'm here to show you a resource that I made for you for your city's IDU. And first up, I wanted to start on the library website. Hopefully you remember how to get there. On your iPad, there's an app for that. It's LUMHS Library with a red background with a person reading. Or you can go to Google and Google Lamoille Library, or you can go to it on the services page of the middle school website. Or you can just follow the link that your teachers are going to link in Schoology. But wanted to put that out there first. So this is the library website, and I wanted to just make sure you remembered that we've got databases, a whole page of them on our regular website. So if you're not finding something in the resource that I made for you, check our database page. There's a good chance you'll find something there. So all of those good databases for that. But for this city's IDU, I did make a very specific resource for you. So if you go to the library website, go to Learning from Home, and then scroll down to Team Extreme IDU. There we go. It will bring you to this page. So this page is just dedicated to the IDU. A little note from me at the top there, if you need help, I am here to help. I've got office hours. If you click on office hours, my schedule will come up and you can schedule yourself for office hours, or you can always email me. And if you don't remember the passwords for all of the databases, click there. It'll bring you up to the link, and you just have to be signed into Google to view it. So what I did for this project to help you guys out is I split it up into your different badges to try to make it a little easier for you. And I put the databases and the resources that I thought would be helpful into those badge areas. So for travel editor, you're talking about 3 days of your itinerary in your city, and you're doing journal entries and budgeting. So I linked a whole bunch of travel guides. So we've got World Book Web, which will give you general information about your city. We've got National Geographic, where most of these resources below come from. And so I'm going to go and click on Walking London as an example. It's going to bring me to the book. So this is an ebook on National Geographic, and I can flip through here and see all of the information. Now I can make it full screen if I want to. I can also search what is where. So if I click on these, so let's do London in a week or weekend. So it's going to show me some top spots that I should visit. The London Eye is so cool. There's a lot of good stuff on there. London for fun, London in a week. So lots of good stuff. London in a weekend with kids. So I can find all of those things through here. And then just a reminder, when you've used a resource, you want to make sure that you copy your source citation and paste it into wherever you're keeping your sources. So I recommend having a Google Doc or something like that set up just for your bibliography or works cited. Anytime you use a resource, just copy and paste that works cited into your document. So that is the National Geographic guides. So there's a whole bunch of them there. These up here are just general places, and you can search the table of contents to find where you want to go for those. But these down here are specific travel guides for specific countries or cities. Now, if I scroll down, we've got just some regular websites that have to do with travel and planning travel. We also have Atlas Obscura, which is cool. It has like kind of quirky places that you could visit. Airbnb to look at potential Airbnbs, because I know that's part of your project. And UNESCO, which is this awesome organization that goes around and catalogs historic and cultural sites from around the world. Then we have Interconnection. So we've got a link for World Book, which has an awesome history of your city. And then I included links for the general middle school database, US history, and world history, because during this, you're looking for 10 important dates of your city. Those will also have pictures that you can use. Acceleration. So this is the technology that helps reduce the human impact on the environment. So I included global issues, because those environmental issues are what we're looking at, and science. Bibliography, for this is a really important one. Do not forget to save your sources. You want to make sure that as you're researching, you are saving and doing your bibliography, citing your sources, because you have to give credit to where you got the information. So I really like MyBib. It's a bibliography generator that I think is really user friendly. So you can create your citation here. You're going to select whether it was a website, a book, video, journal, or many more options. And then it'll help you build your citation, just like EasyBib, but I like this one better. You can also, if you click on what's usually here, you can register with your Google login. So that's really cool too, because then you can save your stuff. We also have Story Mapper, which is already linked in your Schoology, but I wanted to throw the link to Story Map and Google Slides, your options for how to do your presentation, as well as Photos for Class and Creative Commons, which are both really good resources to find photos that you can use in your presentations that are free of copyright or have someone, whoever took the photo, has given permission for other people to use. And last, data analyst. I posted a few sources that I found that have really good resources on statistics that you can use to make your graphs. And then the bottom is just fun. Duolingo, maybe you could learn a few phrases from the language of the city that you're studying. You could look up 360 cities, which gives you panorama views. Google Maps, basic, and Google Earth, which is just a really cool resource. So I wanted to put together this resource at the request of your team, but also because I had such a good time compiling these resources. I think I might even do this project. I'm looking to do a city in Scotland, I think. So I hope this helps you. I hope that you have a great time working on this. And if you need help, I hope you'll reach out to me. I am here to help and excited to help. Have a great day and happy researching.